Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro magnetic wireless charging phone mounts. So the MagicMount Charge Pro comes in two versions. One is for the cars for the dash and vent mount and another one is for the home and office usage. So I'm going to make two separate videos to talk about each of them separately, and in this video we are going to talk about the MagicMount Charge Pro for home or office. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the name of the device. Scosche is the #1 mount brand for Canada and US. It comes with Qi 2.0 with 15-watt charging and it is MagSafe compatible. It also comes with a swivel base for 360-degree views and it is compatible with all of the Qi2 wireless charging enabled MagSafe compatible smartphones or the cases. And here we got the information that what are the stuff we got inside this retail box. If we have a look on the back side, here we got some of the specs of the device that once again it can charge up to 15 watt. It comes with Qi2 charging technology. It comes with 360-degree rotation possibility and it attaches securely to any flat surface with a suction cup base provided. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So first of all, here is a USB Type-C charger. It's a 20-watt charger here. So here we got an adhesive strip, a cleaning wipe, a quick start guide user manual, and a cable management clip. And here is our Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro for home and office. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of MagicMount Charge Pro for home, the wireless charging phone mount with a USB Type-C cable attached to it, a 20-watt charger, an adhesive strip, cable management clip, some cleaning wipe, and a quick start guide. So here's the MagicMount Charge Pro for home or office. At the first glance, it looks like the Pixar table lamp, especially from this angle. If we just ignore the cable, it looks pretty much like that. So here you can see that we got the Scosche branding. This is the phone mount that comes with powerful neodymium magnets that provide very strong connection with the body of the smartphone. We got this USB Type-C cable attached to the body and as you can see, it's pretty long. So you will be able to connect it with the power socket very easily. The build quality is really solid. We got this durable solid attachment to the base. It comes with a Scosche stick grip base. So if you remove this, you can see it's a sticky vacuum suction cup, and once you place it on the ground, you will get very nice grip. It also comes with this vacuum lever. So once you put the mount on the surface, after that you can just press this lever and then there will be even more solid grip. And if you are using your MagicMount Charge Pro on an uneven surface or any surface where the stick grip is not working or the suction is not good, then you can use this surface adapter provided in the box to have a better grip on a problematic surface. The phone mount can move to different angles. As you can see here, it's 360-degree rotation at the top. And this attachment can be rotated as well. So we got two options to change the orientation and angle of your smartphone while using the Scosche MagicMount Pro. One is from the bottom using this pot. So you can go left and right. And then the mount itself moves up and down, left and right as well. So if you connect your smartphone with the phone mount, the grip is really nice. And once again, you can change the orientation of your smartphone while using it at any angle. You can put it up, down as well. You can change the angle very easily either from the mount itself or from the bottom side. So you can see that it is charging my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that is connected with the MagicMount Charge Pro with a MagSafe compatible case. And it's going to work with any of the Pixel Snap powered Pixel 10 series smartphones or any of the iPhones with MagSafe compatibility. So if you're planning to buy a wireless charging phone mount for your home or office, then the Scosche MagicMount Charge Pro is one of the best options for you as it comes with Great build quality, very beautiful and premium design, 15-watt Qi2 wireless charging, a very powerful stick grip suction base, and a Scosche 20-watt charger in the retail box, along with a surface adapter as well. If you are interested in buying it, then I have shared the link in the description of this video. And if you like this video, if you found it helpful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.